In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watcher in ClickUp. Adding a watcher called a follower in ClickUp keeps the right people in the loop without changing who actually owns or works on a task. Followers receive updates when the task changes, comments are added, or statuses move, which is perfect for stakeholders who need visibility but don't need to be assignees. First, head to ClickUp. Open your workspace in your browser or desktop app and sign in if you're not already. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're a member of multiple teams. You'll see your left sidebar with your spaces, folders, and lists. Next, choose the space that contains the work you're managing, then head to Lists. A space is the high-level area for a team or project, and lists hold the individual tasks. Click into the relevant list so you can view the tasks inside. If you have a lot of items, you can use the search or filters to locate the exact task more quickly. Also note that you'll need permission to view the list and modify task followers. If you can, check with your workspace admin. Now, select the task you want to update. Open it so the task details appear. From the task's top menu, open the More options, the three dots, then choose Followers. This is where you manage watchers for the task. In the Followers panel, start typing a teammate's name to find them, then select them to add. You can also add yourself if you want to stay updated without being assigned. If someone is already a follower, you'll see them listed here. You can remove followers the same way if they no longer need notifications. You'll know it worked when you see their avatar appear in the task header under Followers. From now on, they'll receive updates through in-app alerts and, depending on their preferences, by email or mobile push. If you're collaborating across time zones, this is a simple way to keep communication tidy without adding extra comments just to tag people. A couple of quick tips. Adding a follower won't change assignees, points, or due dates. It only controls who gets notified. Followers respect personal notification preferences, so if someone isn't seeing alerts, they may need to adjust their ClickUp notifications. And if you don't see a person in the Add menu, they might not be part of the workspace or lack access to this space or list. That's it. You've headed to ClickUp, navigated to the right, space and list, opened the task, and added a watcher via the Followers menu, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.